What is up, hearties, and welcome back to my channel. I asked you guys to vote for your first video of the week, and y'all chose new rice water recipe and wash day routine. So here is this video. So the first thing I'm going to do is put some rice in a bowl and I'm going to wash it off. I wash it off like twice so that you can free the rice from any impurities or dirt or whatever else is in rice. I wash it off twice, and once I wash it off, I fill this bowl back up with some water, and then I let it sit for 15 minutes. In this video, I am going to be sharing with you guys a new recipe where I add moringa into the rice water treatment. After I let the rice sit for 15 minutes, I go ahead and I pour it in a separate bowl, and I go ahead and I cook my rice, or I feed it to the chickens, either one. So I recommend that you don't use the moringa leaves in the rice water, because I did this, I tried it out just to see which method would be the best method, and it smelled really bad the next day. So I went ahead and I made a different batch where I used the moringa powder instead, and I added it to the rice water, and it turned out great. It didn't have any smell. And I also recommend using Jasmine rice, because I used Uncle Ben's rice and it was so smelly. And this is probably like the third time I used Uncle Ben's rice and it was really bad. But the Jasmine rice, it smells great. So right here, I'm just going ahead and I'm taking the rice water. And this Jasmine rice, I left the rice in there for 2 days, and I added the moringa powder, and it still smells so good. Like, it just smelled like rice. It didn't smell bad or anything. So I'm going to transfer it to the bottle, and then I'm going to put this bottle in some hot water and let it sit while I wash my hair. What is up, hearties, and welcome back to my channel. Today is my wash day. I am going to be doing my regular wash using my Biotin Boost shampoo, and I'm also going to be doing a deep treatment using my rice water infused with moringa. Right now the rice water is warming up in my cup that I showed you guys a few minutes ago, and I'm just going to go ahead and shampoo out my hair. And y'all know I live on an island, so it's summer all year round, so I usually wash my hair outside, and this is how I do it. Stay tuned. I just got done from sitting underneath the dryer, and right now I'm just going to be washing out the rice water and applying my conditioner, and then I'm pretty much done. My hair feels so soft. My hair feels so soft. I'm done washing my hair, and I'm going to give you guys my first impression. Right here, I went ahead and I unraveled my hair, and I'm just going to show you guys how soft it is, and my curls were popping at the ends especially, and it felt so soft. It felt like silk. I am so impressed. Thanks to everyone who suggested that I apply conditioner after the rice water treatment. It really made a huge difference, and I believe applying a little heat to the rice water treatment really helped too. My hair was so soft. It's soft all now, like right now it's still soft. After I washed my hair, I went ahead and I put it in one, and I went to work today with my hair still like this, and it's still soft and nice. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching. My hair feels so soft. It is so silky soft. Oh my gosh, I am so impressed. Thanks to everyone again who suggested that I use the conditioner. Thank you so much. It really worked, and applying heat, it really worked, and it really did a difference. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.